Hello everyone and welcome to my tips kit. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for new post notifications and updates. And for more details, do not forget to check the links in the description of this video. Without wasting any much time, let's dive directly into our today's episode. So in our today's episode, we are going to be introducing you to top 5 online image compression tool that you can actually use to compress images to improve your website load speed performance as well as SEO. Last time we published 5 top tricky methods, or our top 5 or 5 tricky methods that you can actually use to improve the load speed time of your website. And if you're actually interested to see what are the tricky methods we actually use, then the description of that tutorial is also below this video. So let's dive directly in our today's episode. So in our today's episode, the first in our list is actually this one, Compressorio.io. You can see it here, Compressorio.io. This is one of the online tools that you can actually use to compress images to reduce the size, and by doing so, you can actually improve the performance of your site that you are actually uploading these images. And one of the most heavyweight images that we actually use on our site are images like these photographic images, as well as thumbnails of our posts that we actually create as a featured image on our website. And today we have to make sure that since these images are very heavyweight, we have to reduce the sizes by using online image compression tools like this one to reduce the size so as to improve, to make it look lightweight and to improve the load speed, page time load, so that our visitors actually enjoy the fastness of our load time on our site. So of course, I'm going to use one image here to show you how this tool actually reduce the size, the image size of one of a thumbnail that I actually created, and I actually wanted to upload it to one of my site, and I actually use this tool. So this is the image here. You can see these images here. These are 2 images here. This is the images that I actually designed. If I put my mouse on it, you can see that this image is 149 kilobytes. And after I upload it to this tool, this Compressorio.io, this tool actually compressed this image and gave me 41.4 kilobytes. You can see that it is about 70-something% safe size. The size has been reduced to about 70-something%, and this is actually very good without actually too much loss in the quality. And of course, if you have this kind of tool, it is a good thing to use. So I'm going to still repeat the same process so that you can actually see how this was being performed. So what I did is I actually come here to this section that says select file. I click on select file, and what I actually do when I click on the select file, I'll be taken to the image. Of course, I will just come. This is the image here. You can see now it is 41, but I'll go to the actual image, which is actually on my desktop here. Here on my desktop, I'll just come to new folder 14. It is here. You can see here. Here, this is 149 kilobytes. If I double click on it, it's going to be uploaded to this site and it will be compressed. You can see I've saved 72%, and you can see from 149 kilobytes to 41 kilobytes. This is a good compression rate. And when I actually download this file that I've compressed, if you click here download, you are going to download this on your device that you are actually using, and this is it here. If you try to open here like show in folder, you can see here, this is it here, shown in folder. It has not yet opened here. I don't know why, but I will still just repeat the same download process. This is here, download. I'll repeat the same download process and give it more time. Let it complete in the download process. Then I'll show again in folder, and I'm sure, okay, yeah, now it's done. You can see it here. So this is the file size, 41.4. This is good. So it has been reduced from it has been reduced. Let's come back here from 149 kilobyte to 41 kilobyte with a 72% save in size, which means this is actually a good thing. You can see this image that I compressed. I use it is one of the image that I actually use. One of my article I created about the top ways that you can actually use to improve the speed performance of your web page. And if you like to check that details, also make sure to check the links below this video description. So the second in our list here is actually tinypng.com. Of course, this is it here. You can see tinypng.com. This is the second in our list. And if you come here, here you have this area that says drop your web page or PNG or JPEG file here. So we are going to use same method. Let's see what we have here. If you click here, they will ask you to choose. So I will choose this one, 149. Let's upload it to it. You can see that it has come from 149 kilobyte to 61 kilobyte. You can see that the size here, you can see it has dropped to 61. But on the other one, you can see that on the first one that we used before, it dropped from 149 to 41 kilobyte, which means that this one, the compression rate of this one is actually more better because the size has really been reduced here as compared to tiny PNG. You can see from 152.9 till 61 kilobyte, as whereas the other one here was 149 kilobyte till 41, which means this one has been compressed better as compared to the others, to the other one that we more than this tiny PNG. You can see here. And of course, I don't want to make this tutorial to be very lengthy. If you actually want to see all of the top image compression tool that we actually use to compress our images for photographic purposes as well as for website purposes, as thumbnails and other images that for whatever purpose that we want to use, then make sure to check the link below this video description, and you are going to see all of the top site that you can actually use to compress images, as well as other tips that you can actually use for the best performance of your website, load speed time, and for SEO purposes. So thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new post notifications and update, and see you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.
And now I know my heart is a ghost town.